Mandavya. Long ago, a wise sage named Mandavya lived in a forest and meditated deeply. When he meditated, he was completely unaware of what was going on around him. One day, some robbers who were running to escape the king's soldiers came to the ashrama and saw the sage meditating. This is a good place to hide the booty, thought the robbers. So they hid the stolen goods there and ran away. When the soldiers reached there, they saw the sage and asked him if he had seen the robbers. He continued to meditate in silence. The commander ordered the soldiers to search the ashrama. They found the stolen goods. Without waiting to find who had brought them there, the commander jabbed a spear into the sage. The sage did not die, although he was impaled, and he did not know why he had been punished. Vidura. The news of Mandavya reached the king, who was frightened at the cruelty his soldiers had shown towards the wise and learned sage. He asked his forgiveness and took out the spear. The sage was not angry with the king. He went to ask Dharma, the Lord who gave justice to everyone, why he had made him suffer, and learned that it was because he had hurt animals and birds as a child. The sage said it was very unfair to punish people for what was done when they were innocent children. He cursed Dharma to be born as a human being so that he might understand. Dharma was therefore born as Vidura, the son of Ambalika's maid. Later, he was appointed as a counselor of the king by Bhishma when he was very young, because he was known and respected for being wise and virtuous. The princes. The princes were minors. Therefore, Bhishma looked after the kingdom as the regent, helping Satyavati in all matters of the state. He also arranged for the education of the three boys. Dhritarashtra was physically the strongest, Pandu was the best archer, and Vidura was wise in all matters of state and right conduct. As the three grew older, Bhishma was concerned about the marriages of the two heirs to the throne to suitable brides. He had received offers from King Subala of Gandhara for his daughter Gandhari, from King Kunti Bhoja for his adopted daughter Kunti, and for Madri, the daughter of the king of Madra. He consulted Vidura, who was already renowned for his correct moral conduct and wisdom. When Vidura too agreed, Bhishma began the process of arranging to get Dhritarashtra and Pandu married. He began by visiting Gandhara. Gandhari. Dhritarashtra and Pandu were trained in the scriptures and in warfare. Dhritarashtra was immensely strong, but he could not be made the king because he was blind. He became bitter at this. His marriage was to be arranged, so his mother Satyavati sent Bhishma to Gandhara. The princess of Gandhara, Gandhari, had received a boon to have 100 sons. At first, her parents did not agree, but she persuaded them. She tied her eyes with a scarf permanently, so that she might be her husband's equal. She was, however, gifted with a powerful inner vision. She tried to guide her sons but failed. Shakuni was her brother. He came to Hastinapur to look after his sister, but he was evil and became a bad influence on her sons. It was his evil actions and influence combined with Duryodhana's jealousy and anger that led to the destruction of the Kauravas.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.